In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your version of Adobe Acrobat Pro. Knowing your software version can be crucial for troubleshooting compatibility issues, updating features, or simply ensuring that you're using the most recent edition. So, let's dive into the simple steps to find out exactly which version of Adobe Acrobat Pro you have installed on your device. First off, we'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once you have it launched, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. Here, you'll notice a button known as the hamburger menu. This icon is typically represented by three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Clicking on this menu will expand a list of options available to you. Next, within the expanded menu list, look for an option labeled Help. This is a crucial step as it houses the information about your software version. When you hover over or click on Help, you'll see another set of options appear. Among these, you should locate an option called About Adobe Acrobat. Go ahead and select this option. It's important to note that following these steps precisely is essential, as it ensures you are accessing the most direct route to find your version information. Once you have clicked on About Adobe Acrobat, a new pop-up window will appear on your screen. This window is a goldmine of information. It will display the product name and the exact version of Adobe Acrobat Pro that you're using. Additionally, it provides copyright details affirming the legitimacy and authenticity of your software. This window allows you to confirm your software version with complete confidence. And there you have it, 4 simple steps to finding out the version of Adobe Acrobat Pro you have installed. This information can be incredibly helpful whether you're reaching out for customer support, exploring updates, or verifying compatibility with other software. This process is designed to be straightforward, but if you run into any issues, or the help option doesn't display the About Adobe Acrobat choice immediately, a good troubleshooting step is to ensure your Acrobat application is updated. Keeping your software up to date can resolve unexpected glitches and ensure that all features function as intended. Thank you for watching and following along with these steps on how to find your version of Adobe Acrobat Pro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or check our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.